My name is Eric, and this is my video for the Big Challenge assignment, the last one for the class. As a sixth grade teacher, my biggest challenge is managing the screen time, both inside and outside of the classroom. Kids today are always on their tablets, their iPads, their laptops, computers, video games, cell phones, TV, streaming, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon. They are always near a screen, watching a screen, and I feel it's important to find a solution to manage that time because as 11 and 12-year-olds, they are not going to necessarily manage that time on their own. So that would be my challenge, managing the screen time for my sixth grade students. As far as a solution, I can control what happens inside my classroom, which is the easiest part. I can make sure that every time we are using the screens, there's a purpose to it. Every time they're using their iPads, it's for a reason. And things like reading a book or writing the old school paper and pencil do have their place. So if we're going to use the iPads, there needs to be a purpose behind it and focus on the content, not just used as busy work. Outside, during non-school hours, I can limit homework. I don't like to give homework in large quantities as it is, and so that's going to keep them off their screens, hopefully. And then encourage non-screen time activities when they're outside of school, like playing outside, riding your bike, going to the park, shooting some hoops. I think those are all good solutions as long as the students buy into it. And these are the two ISTE standards I chose for my problem and solution, just making sure that the digital content is meeting the needs of all students. That's back to having purpose. And then personalizing their experience, their learning, making sure everyone has accommodations and everyone is on an equal playing field. And I think that's also part of the solution. So that is my big challenge assignment.